My coin collection, 25 centavos from year 1958 to 1966. Features, issuer, Philippines. Period, Republic 1946 to date. Type, standard circulation coin, years 1958 to 1966. Value, 25 centavos. Currency, peso, 1857 to 1967. Composition, nickel brass, 70% copper, 18% zinc, and 12% nickel. Weight, 5 grams. Diameter, 24 millimeter. Thickness, 1.6 millimeter. Shape, round. Technique, milled. Orientation, coin alignment. Demonetized March 31, 1979. Number N number 1009. References, KN number 189. Show number 27. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please follow me for more.